We are grateful for this milestone to help Mary's mother to move to her new house. Indeed, it is a great thing, it is a great achievement. And I just want to thank you, everyone who participated in this process, in giving, in praying, specifically the GOA Switzerland through their leadership of Rebecca.
Sikuwa na chochote, nilikuwa ninapanga nitajenga, ninatafuta na bidii hata hiyo mjengo na inasabaratika, lakini Mungu akatenda miujiza kupitia nyinyi, mkanisaidia nikafika mahali niko sasa. Nikiangalia hii nyumba, nikiangalia mahali nilikuwa na mahali mmenitoa na mahali mmenifikisha, ninashindwa na kusema. Ninaambia Mungu tu asanti na wakumbuke.
Asanti kwa wale wote ambao waliingia katika mifuko yao ili waweze kutusaidia na kusaidia mama. Wabarikiwe na waweze kuwa na hiyo roho ya kuweza kusaidia wengi ambao hawajiwezi.
When I joined Lema, I was praying that God will help me to study and then help my mom to build the house, and you all came to help me. So today I'm excited, I'm surprised. I can't tell everything, but I thank you all. May God bless you.
The needs for the post-secondary students are many, and we cannot exhaust all the needs. But when we have an opportunity and a chance to meet some of these needs, like we have done to Mary's mom, I think it is good. We are able to make a difference in people's lives. We have been able to help her even with new furniture, new utensils. Everything is new to her life, and I pray that it is going to be a beginning of a new thing in her life.
And we are so grateful to have restored the dignity of Mary and the dignity of her mother. We want to thank everyone who has been faithful in supporting us in one way or the other to ensure that many other kids like Mary, currently we have 320 kids, that all those kids are able to eat, they are able to go to school, they are able to sleep in good beds, and they are able to enjoy life.
And we have seen how the mother lived in a hopeless, dilapidated, tiny house that was everything. But today, that shame is being turned into joy. That hopelessness is turned into hope. I take this opportunity to thank all our partners, specifically for this situation of Mary. I thank the GOA Switzerland for their help.